What's up, guys? We just ordered some Headshot Rival ammo just from Amazon right now, and it just arrived.
Alright, so this is, like he said, some Headshot ammo for our Nerf Rival guns off Amazon.com, and then we'll leave a link to these in the description. We recently got these because we've been running out of Nerf Rival ammo for our Rival guns, and the Nerf brand ammo is just way too expensive, and this comes in better quantities and it's cheaper. So first off, our first impressions, it just comes in a plastic bag like this, and then it comes with a little like holding case. I don't know how to what to call it, like a holding case to store it in. Yeah, holding bag. And then so let's open this.
Rip it open.
So this came with 110, and we just ordered the yellow to match all of our other Nerf Rival stuff. So first off, here's a little Headshot ammo bag.
Open it up.
And then alright, so it's just a black little bag.
Clip right here.
It comes with a carabiner, probably to attach it to a fence or a bag or a Nerf gun or something. And then, so this is the bag. It says Headshot ammo, high impact foam ammunition. So you can just dump all of it in here. That'll be easy. And then, so let's do that right now. Joseph, can you hold the bag for me?
It does feel very weird. The last couple.
Alright, so that is all of it. Wait, there's one more.
Oops. It is very hard to. It's little bags, so.
Alright, so that's all the ammo right there. And first impression of it, it feels pretty similar to the Rival ammo. Actually, let's get one of them out right now. Alright, so in my right hand is some Rival ammo, in my left hand is some Headshot ammo. So they look very similar. They feel the same. I feel like the Nerf brand ammo is a little bit squishier than the Rival.
Let me see.
I feel like this one's a little bit tougher to squeeze.
This one's the Rival?
Yeah, no, that one's the Headshot. This is the Rival.
Oh, the Rival?
Rival feels a little bit squishier. Yeah. And the Headshot ammo feels a little more like plasticky and more slippery than the Rival. The Rival, it feels like there's more grip on it. But, I mean, that doesn't have to do anything with the shooting or performance. It's just your own personal feels. Alright, so that's it. Don't get those two mixed up.
Rival?
This one's the Rival.
Yep. Exactly.
Alright, so we got it in the color yellow just to match everything else that we have.
There are other colors, but they cost $3 more.
Yeah, this was $19 for 110 of the Headshot ammo. And then if they have a bunch of other colors on there, just make sure to check out the link in the description for it. And then, yeah, so that was pretty much our first impression. We unboxed it. There's really not much unboxing because it just came in a bag. So we will be giving you guys a test by shooting with our Nerf Rivals right now. And we will be doing a comparison and performance test versus the Nerf brand ammo.
Okay.
Alright, see you guys in a couple minutes.